नमस्कार। आज कहते हैं दिन वहीं शुरू होता है जहाँ सूर्य उदय होता है। सो विद द सनराइज टुडे we'll take the first all the asanas belonging to only Surya Namaskar. There are 12 asanas are there in only Surya Namaskar or Surya Pranam. You know, as the day gets brightened with the sun, so my friends, my seniors, my gurujans, if you continue at least in the name of 12 sun name, there are 12 sun names are there. Along with that, if you continue 12 Surya Namaskar, definitely I just assure you, you are going to get delighted just like sun, nothing else. So friends, today we'll be continuing the Surya Namaskar step by step. I'll tell you. So please, whenever you do not just count the numbers, how many you have done the Surya Namaskar. Just count how the correctly and correct steps you have taken during the Surya Namaskar. So we'll start. I'll demonstrate and just follow me. Just start. Okay. Till then, here I will start. This is very instant. I do not have any technology. I do not have anything. Just what I know, what my experience. I take the world of exercises and whatever I get, the summary, that I just project to you. I hope it will become in the head of you. Definitely you will follow it. So Surya Namaskar first, I'll tell you. Here you should take just in the name of Surya Namaskar. Just take the breath out. Om Suryaya Namaha. Surya Namaskar ek. Just get yourself tilted how much you can. Just sit. Ek. How much? Look at your palm. Like this. Ek. Go. Just. There will not be these while going down. You just take breath out. Here is the Surya Namaskar. Breathing in, then breathe out, and it comes the foot and your palm together. It is called Hastapad Asana. So just look at your knee and your foot and palm both all together. There will not be single drop of oxygen or breathe inside your stomach. So here you can look at your knee. Here, this is the position of second two. So here again we'll go to the third position. Like this from here, just take the left leg behind, like this. Like this you have to take. Then your palm, hand and leg will be together. And here, your just foot will be like this, flat. By what you can take the breath and just look up with the breathing. Like this. Here you have to breathe in and with this you have to look up like this. So this is the third. Fourth, from here you take the foot like this and take your right leg behind. This is called fourth. And here you will go to the Parvatasana like this. And your toes will be touching to the ground. And look at your knees. And head must be aligned with your hands. Right. If you can't take towards your belly, aligned, you feel that here with the calf muscles, this is getting stretched, and your this lat exercise, this is also getting very much stretched. Main thing, whenever you do the asanas or exercise, your body should get stretched and you should burn the calorie. So here, this is the Prabhadasana, fifth position. Again from here, you are going forward again, like this. You will go forward like this, and here Ashtangasana. Ashtang means there will be 8 parts of body which will be touching to the ground, just like both the knees, Then here only the chest and nose, like this. You'll hold your body with the palm, hand. You will not touch the stomach to the ground. Don't get raised to the ground. Here, this is the sixth position. From here, right now breathing, already breath is out. Then from here, again take the breath in. Stretch yourself forward and like this. This is the position of seventh position. So here you will just touch the ground with the waist and your body will be touching like this. Just try, because by this your SI, your stomach is getting stretched, and at the same time your hips, body is fully getting stretched like this. And this is the position of breathe in. You are holding your breath like this. Then here, from here, this position, you are again going to the Parvatasana like this. 8. Like this. Parvatasana means again you are touching your just toes to the ground like this. Okay? Again like this. From here again you have to bring your left leg forward like this. So you should feel your both calves are stretched, your laterals are stretched like this. Again you have to bring your left leg like this. Forward like this again. Forward. Your both the palm, the foot, everything is aligned, parallel. Then here you can see it should be flat, touching the lower, your joint, knee joint of the right leg on the ground. You are here getting stretched like this, getting stretched forward. So here you are breath already out. Okay. Then from here again you are bringing your right leg like this. All together. Again this is the Hastpadasana. Breath is out. There is no single drop of breath inside your stomach. And with this you can very well see the knee. This is the correct posture of your Hastpadasana. Again from here you will be taking breath in. Breathe in like this as far as possible. Looking at your palm. Just tilt yourself. Then again like this to the rest position. This is the last 12th asana. I'll just demo once more. Please just follow step by step. By this one only small and just demonstration I am getting sweating. So this has got so many effects. If you continue at least 12. In the name of Surya I'll tell you Om Suryaya Namaha, Om Ravaya Namaha, Om Arkaya Namaha, Om Adityaya Namaha, Om Bhaskaraya Namaha, Om Anave Namaha, Om Hirangarbhaya Namaha, Om Mitraya Namaha, Om Marichaya Namaha. So with these all sort of names, if you just continue the Surya Namaskar, definitely you are getting your health brighter like a sun. So I'll take just a full, just keep watching to me. Om Arkaya Namaha. Surya Namaskar like this. You are getting very much stress because by this your ribs and phepda. So why you are taking breath in, because whenever you stress your just like your full chest, that time the body requires more oxygen. That's why we take always breathe in. And why you will breathe out? Because whenever you squeeze yourself towards just front, that time you just breathe out, because that time body does not require that much oxygen. So I'll tell you full, keep watching. I will not discuss anything. Keep watching. Just concentrate on mind and count the steps. Just you will feel good, and definitely as I am doing, you will be doing, you will getting the proper result like this. Om Mitraya Namaha. Surya Namaskar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here, 6, 7, sixth position. It will be like this. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Again, I'm demonstrating full because in between some steps I forgot. While just keep in mind. Om Marichikaya Namaha. 1, 9, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Like this. So with this Surya Namaskar, I hope you'll be getting just this is also a part of yoga, because as I have been telling you, there are 12 that asanas being just accommodated in a single Surya Namaskar, and after that you can continue Vastrika, Kapalbhati, then Anuloom and your Brahmi. So with all these sort of 5 yogasanas, you are going to just get yourself healthy one. I wish not only yourself getting healthy, but also to your family, to your all society members, and propagate this to the whole world, by which you'll be getting feel happy and happy. So don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel Happy World Samarth. I will just spell HAPPYWRLDSAMARTH. With this, I hope you'll be getting maximum pleasure, and you'll enjoy your body, your mind and your soul. Thank you very much. God bless you. Take care. Till then, take care. Bye bye.